decades, the non-Muslim population in India's 3 neighboring countries have been victims of persecution and oppression. India has always believed that the minorities of its neighboring countries are India's responsibility. The main reason for implementing the Citizenship Amendment Act, that is CAA, by the Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah under the guidance of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is to protect the rights of the minorities who have come to India from these countries due to religious persecution, by providing them with Indian citizenship and by connecting them with the mainstream, and hence India is opening the doors of progress for them. Through this act, Indian citizenship is being provided to millions of refugees from Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian communities who have come from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan.
सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट किसी की भी नागरिकता छीनने के लिए नहीं, ये नागरिकता देने के लिए है.
The required duration of stay in India to apply for citizenship has also been reduced from 11 years to 5 years in the new law. Above all, after acquiring citizenship, all legal proceedings against them regarding illegal migration and citizenship-related matters will be closed. The CAA is a big boon for those who were persecuted for years based on their religion in Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh during and after partition. The Act also allows an individual to apply for citizenship by registration or naturalization.
70 साल तक के लोगों को भगवान के भरोसे छोड़ दिया था. इसको न्याय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने देकर इतिहास इसको सुवर्ण अक्षर से अंकित किया.
This humanitarian-based initiative taken by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has not only created a path of making Indian citizenship easier for millions of minority families who have come from these neighboring countries after being persecuted, but also paved the way for their bright future.